Hello everyone! Hello po sa inyong lahat. Today in this video, we will be making this eggplant. I'm using 100% acrylic yarn. For this yarn, I use 3.5mm crochet hook. And for the green yarn, I use a 4.0mm crochet hook. You will need scissor, stitch marker, and darning needle for making this eggplant. To start, we will do a magic ring. Wrap around your two finger, insert your hook, then make a chain 1. After that, do a 8 single crochet inside the magic ring. 1, 'Once you have made 8 single crochet, we will do a increase in the first chain or 2 single crochet in this first chain here. 1 single crochet and mark your first stitch, and then add 1 more single crochet in the same stitch or in the same chain. Repeat this each of the chain for 16 single crochet around. For round 3, remove the stitch marker and we will do a single crochet in the first chain and mark your first stitch, and then repeat 1 single crochet each of the chain. For round 4, we will do a single crochet in the first chain and then mark your first single crochet, and then increase or 2 single crochet in the second chain. Repeat around for 24 stitches around. For round 5, do a single crochet each of the chain for 24 stitches around. For round 6, remove the stitch marker and do a single crochet in the first chain and in the second chain, and increase in the third chain for 32 stitches around, and repeat in 7, 8, and 9. For round 10, we will do a single crochet in the first and mark it, single crochet in the second, and single crochet in the third, and increase or 2 single crochet in the fourth for 40 stitches around, and repeat in round 11 to 15 for single crochet each for 40 stitches around. And this is what it looked like after the 15 rounds. And now for round 16, remove the stitch marker and we will do a single crochet in the first chain and mark it, single crochet in the second, single crochet in the third, single crochet in the fourth, and then decrease in the fifth. Insert the hook in the front loop only. Insert the hook in the front loop only in the next chain. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Single crochet 1. Single crochet 2. Single crochet 3. Single crochet 4. And decrease in the next. Insert the hook in the front loop only, and insert the hook in the front loop only in the next chain. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and repeat this for 34 single crochet around. Now for round 17 to 21, it's 5 rounds. Repeat single crochet each of the chain for 34 stitches around. For round 22, we will do a single crochet in the first chain, 1, single crochet in the next, single crochet in the next, and then decrease in the next. Insert your hook in the front loop, insert your hook in the front loop in the next chain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and repeat single crochet 1, single crochet 2, and then single crochet 3, and decrease in the next. At the end of the round, you should have 1 chain or 1 single crochet left for 28 stitches around. And now for round 23, single crochet each of the chain around for 3 rounds, 23, 24, and 25 for 28 stitches around. Now for round 26, we will do a single crochet in the first chain, single crochet in the next, and then decrease in the next. Repeat this for 21 stitches around. For round 27 to 29, repeat single crochet each for 21 stitches around. And now once you're done with round 29, we can now fill with stuffing or fiberfill. For round 30, we will just do a single crochet in the first chain and decrease in the next, single crochet and decrease in the next for 14 stitches around. And after that, you just need to make a chain and cut the yarn. For making this stem, do a magic ring, chain 1, and then 8 single crochet inside the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then pull the tail of the yarn to close, and then do a single crochet for 2 times, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and do 1 more round of 8 single crochet. Once you're done with 3 rounds of 8 single crochet, we will do a slip stitch and then chain 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, single crochet second chain from the hook, half double crochet, 1, half double crochet in the second, and then double crochet in the next, and then double crochet in the last, and then skip a chain here, skip this chain in the middle and slip stitch in the next, chain 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, single crochet in second chain from the hook, half double crochet, 1, half double crochet, 2, 1 double crochet, and 1 double crochet in the last, and then skip the chain in the middle and slip stitch in the next. Repeat for 2 more of this leaf. Once you're done with the 4th leaf, skip the chain and then slip stitch on the first leaf that we make, and then make a chain and then cut a long yarn, and after we will just sew or connect the 2 parts.